Hello everybody, I'm Suman Matthews and today we will be discussing grade 10 mathematics topic. It is a part of commercial arithmetic. We will be discussing the topic of GST, that is the goods and service tax. This is a new topic which has been introduced in the grade 10 mathematics ICSE syllabus from 2019 onwards. Do subscribe to my channel and feel free to contact me for personalized coaching. In this video, we learn what is GST, what is CGST, IGST, SGST, what is output and input tax, and how to calculate the net GST. GST is a tax levied when one buys or sells goods. For an interstate transaction, we have IGST. For an intrastate transaction, that is transaction within the state, we have SGST, that is state GST, and CGST, which is central government GST. So state GST or UGST, that is Union Territory GST, is collected by the state government for intrastate transaction. CGST is collected by the central government for intrastate transaction. And integrated GST, IGST, is collected by the central government for interstate transaction. So note that for interstate, CGST equal to SGST equal to 0, and for an intrastate transaction, tax is shared equally by the central government and state government. For example, if rate of GST is 28%, rate of CGST is 14%, rate of SGST is also 14%. Strike the T of the can't. You can if you think you can. Find the amount of bill for the intrastate transaction of goods. You are given the MRP, discount percent, and the CGST percent. So coming to the first row, MRP is 12,000, discount 30% of 12,000 is 3,600. So the discounted value is 12,000 minus 3,600, which is 8,400. We have the CGST is 6%, so 6% of 8,400 is 504. Being an intrastate transaction, we have to calculate SGST, which is same as the 6% of 8,400, which is 504. Similarly, for the second row, we calculate discount, discounted value, CGST and SGST. And do likewise for the third and fourth row. Sum of the discounted values is 37,850. Sum of CGST is 2,785. Sum of SGST is 2,785. So the final amount is 37,850 plus 2,785 plus 2,785, which is 43,420. Coming to question 2. A trader in Delhi provides the following services to a trader in Pune. Find the amount of the bill. This is an interstate transaction. You are given the quantity, the cost, and the GST percent. And GST percent is different for different items here. So the cost is 680. So coming to the first row, the total cost will be 8 into 680, which is 5,440. It is an interstate transaction, so have IGST, and 5% of 5,440 is 272. Similarly, for the second row, we calculate the total cost and 12% of the total cost, which is 460.80. We do likewise for the third and fourth row. Sum of the total cost is 18,600. Sum of IGST is 2,720. So your total amount is 18,600 plus 2,720, which is 20,607.20. Visualize success and you will succeed. Now when A sells goods to B, GST is levied. This is input tax for B. When B sells goods to C, GST is levied, and this is output tax for B. So net GST paid by B is output tax minus input tax. If C is the end user, for C output GST is 0. Coming to question 3, goods services are sold from Agra to Kanpur for 20,000 and then from Kanpur to Bangalore. If the rate of GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is rupees 5,000, find the net GST paid by a dealer at Kanpur and the cost of goods services at Bangalore. Now here, Agra to Kanpur is an intra-state transfer. Cost price at Kanpur is 20,000. So we have, because it's intra-state, we have SGST, that is 9% of 20,000, which is 1,800. CGST is again 1,800. Now the profit is 5,000. So selling price at Bangalore is 25,000. So GST will be at Bangalore will be 0.18 into 25,000. Now Kanpur to Bangalore is interstate. So this is IGST. That is 4,500. So net GST paid by the dealer in Kanpur will be 4,500 minus 1,800 plus 1,800, which is rupees 900. And the cost of goods services at Bangalore will be 25,000 plus 4,500, which is rupees 29,500. The best way to learn mathematics is through written practice. So take a pen and paper and practice along with me right from the beginning to the end. Coming to question 4, A is a dealer in Mumbai. He supplies goods services worth rupees 15,000 to a dealer B in Meerut. B supplies the same goods services to a dealer C in Agra at a profit of rupees 3,000. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the cost of goods services to the dealer C in Agra and the net tax paid by B. Now A to B, this is Mumbai to Meerut. So it's an interstate transfer. Selling price is 15,000. So we have the IGST, that is 0.18 into 15,000, which is 2,700. B to C is, if you look from B to C, it is Agra to Agra. So it is intrastate. Selling price is 18,000 because there's a profit of 3,000. So because it's intrastate, we have CGST, which is 9% of 18,000, which is 1,620. And SGST, which is also 9% of 18,000, which is 1,620. So the cost of goods services to C will be 18,000 plus 1,620 plus 1,620, which is rupees 21,240. And the net tax payable by B will be total tax paid by B, which B charges 1,620 plus 1,620 minus 2,700, because 2,700 is the tax which B pays. So output tax minus input tax, that is rupees 540, which is the net tax payable by B. Question 5. Goods services worth rupees 50,000 are transferred from Delhi to Mumbai at the rate of GST 18%, and then from Mumbai to Nainital at the same rate of GST with a profit of rupees 20,000. Find the output tax at Delhi, Mumbai and Nainital. Now Delhi to Mumbai is interstate. Cost price is 50,000. IGST will be 18% of 15,000, which is rupees 9,000. So output tax at Delhi is rupees 9,000. Now Mumbai to Nainital is also interstate and it is sold at a profit of 20,000. So selling price is 50,000 plus 20,000, which is 70,000. And IGST is again 18% of 70,000, which is 12,600. So net GST paid in Mumbai will be 12,600 minus 9,000, that is 3,600. So output tax in Mumbai will be rupees 12,600. Buyer in Nainital is the end user. So output tax in Nainital is 0. We repeat once more. Delhi to Mumbai is interstate, so the output tax at Delhi is 9,000. Mumbai to Nainital is interstate, the output tax is 12,600 here. Net GST is difference between both, which is 3,600, and the output tax in Nainital will be 0 because he is the end user. So what are the topics covered? GST, CGST, IGST and SGST. What is input and output tax, and net GST. So what do you do next? Subscribe to my channel or contact me for personalized classes or visit my website www.mathmedec.co. Thank you.